Though this is called Kamae with Bokken, or the basic stances with the Bokken or wooden sword. First off, to draw, we extend our right foot forward, right hand comes underneath, bring the Bokken forward, and should be pointing about some of your own sizes, maybe chin level. This position is called Chudan no Kamae. Then we step back, raise the Bokken over the head. This is Jodan no Kamae. Then it comes to the right side, elbow relaxes to Hasso no Kamae. Then the fourth stance is dropping down behind. This is Wakigamae. To get to the fifth stance, we come back to Hasso no Kamae, Jodan no Kamae, step forward, Chudan no Kamae, and then bring it down to Geidan no Kamae, which should be pointing at the knee level. One more time from the side. Chudan no Kamae, Jodan no Kamae, Hasso no Kamae, Wakigamae, Hasso no Kamae, Jodan no Kamae, Chudan no Kamae, Geidan no Kamae. To put the Bokken away, called Noto, you bring it to the side, step forward, and you're set. One more time to put it away. You bring it to your side, step forward, and set. More advanced version, to bring it through the hand, set. Thank you so much.